We got our sprinkler repair client 44 leads in 10 days on Google Ads. And in this video, I'm going to show you how we did that, how we set everything up, and how you can do it for your own business as well. And at the end of this video, if you want us to do all of this for you and set this up for you inside of your Google Ads account, just click on the link below and fill out the free consultation, and we can talk about how we can do this for your own sprinkler repair business. All right, so we're looking at the date range of April 14th to the 25th. Now, they only run ads Monday through Friday, so it's 10 days of actual ad spend. They have $120 a day budget, but they did not start off this way, and I'll get to that in a sec. So as you can see here, they spent $1,200 in 10 days. They got 44 leads for $27 each, and we had a 34% conversion rate. So that is really great results, and they just doubled the budget. It was $60 a day. Then they did $120 a day because they wanted more leads, and this is the result of that. So if you're ever wondering if you need to spend more to get more and get better results, this is your sign. Now, it does depend on the industry, but let's go ahead and show you how this actually all started. So let's look back at March is when they first started in the middle of March. You can see that the first 3 weeks, we only got them 13 leads for $76. They spent about $1,000 in total ad spend, and our conversion rate was about 18%. And their budget was only $60 a day. So they did okay their first couple of weeks, and that's what we tell all of our clients, like, hey, like the first couple of weeks it's going to ramp up from there, but the first couple of weeks there's a learning phase, and then from there it gradually gets better. But this is how it started, right? And then if we go to March, you can see it drastically got better. 32% conversion rate, almost double. The cost per lead went down significantly, and the amount of leads went up significantly as well. And we count conversions or leads as a phone call to our client or a form submission to our client. So those leads are exclusive to them, and that's how many leads they got in the month of April so far. Now, on April 14th, the client was like, hey, we want to get more. What can we do? We went to ChatGPT. We were like, hey, if you want to get this many leads, you're going to have to spend this amount. They said, okay, let's do it. Let's double the budget. They went to $120 a day, and that's how we got these 44 leads in just 10 days. So really, really great stuff here. Let me go ahead and show you how we set this campaign. So we switched our campaign from max clicks to target CPA a little right around before the budget increase, but that did help out a lot going to target CPA. So I highly recommend doing that if your campaign has been running for a while, but definitely recommend doing that. You can see we have some ad groups here. We have Sprinkler Repair, then it's his biggest cities that he services, so Sacramento, Elk Grove. He also does installation, but we might get rid of this ad group and just solely focus on repairs, but you can do that as well. We'd probably recommend breaking this out into another campaign if we were to start this all over. And then irrigation repair, and then sprinkler repair Carmichael. So these are very bottom of the funnel ad groups with those keywords in there. We don't want anyone who's looking for DIY sprinkler repair or how to do it themselves, like Home Depot, Lowe's, etc. We just want people who are looking for somebody to hire to repair their sprinkler. And anyone who types in sprinkler repair near me, sprinkler repair Sacramento, or whatever city it is, they're looking for somebody local who can repair their sprinkler right away. Now, the other thing about this is having a special offer. You want to have a great special offer, whether it's a tune-up special, like, $79 tune-up sprinkler repair special or something like that. You definitely want to have some sort of special offer. Check out and see what other competitors are doing in the space in your local area. If they're running a special offer, try to either beat it or do something that competes with their offer. But anyways, if you guys want us to implement this campaign into your account, definitely hit us up in the link below. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.